Croeso nôl. Cyn i ni gyfarfod ar gwestai nesa, beth am i chi gysylltu â ni i ddweud pwy fasech chi'n hoffi gweld yn eistedd ar y soffa yma? Fedrwch chi wneud hynny wrth gysylltu â ni ar Facebook neu Twitter.
And of course, the website is such a good idea. Get on there, s4ec.co.uk/hub. Get involved. What's next for us?
Nawr ten, y wers.
Oh,
Are you ready? Barod,
born
Matt?
ready.
Ein gwestai nesa ni ydy Dr John Davies.
Dr John.
Nawr ten, mae John yn dod o'r Rhondda,
Yep.
yn wreiddiol, ond mae yn byw yng Nghaerdydd rwan. Right, he lives in
He lives
Cardiff.
in Cardiff.
Yeah.
From the Rhondda, from the valleys.
Yeah. Roedd e'n ddarlithydd hanes. Darlithydd.
Wow, darlithydd.
Lecturer.
Oh, darlithydd.
Roedd e'n ddarlithydd
Lecturer.
hanes, history lecturer, yn y Brifysgol yn Aberystwyth.
In the Aberystwyth University.
Iawn. Mae e wedi ysgrifennu nifer o lyfrau. He's written loads of books.
Few books, yeah.
Can lle i'w gweld cyn marw. Now then, the 100 places to see before you die.
Okay, I knew Mara was die.
Yeah. Both books have been translated into English hefyd.
Okay.
Iawn ta. Mae o'n gweithio ar nifer o gyfresu teledu a radio Cymraeg, yn Gymraeg a Saesneg, in both languages, iawn?
Okay, so lots to talk about.
Lots to talk about.
I'll have to brush up on my history of Wales.
I was going to say.
I think.
Yes, I was going to ask you, what do you know about Welsh history, Matt?
But we'll soon find out.
But we can ask him.
Yeah,
so
we will ask him. I'll absorb as much as I can from the doctor.
Sgrin 1,
Bwys.
Hanesydd.
Yes.
So hanes, history, hanesydd, historian.
Okay.
Right. Cyflwynydd. Yeah,
Okay.
that Y-double-D. Yeah.
Sure.
So there we are. And then we have ysgrifennu.
Writer.
Writing, yes. Awdur. Now, awdur, author.
Oh, okay.
Author.
Okay, ysgrifennu, author, awdur.
And cyfnod, period of time. Now 10. Let's have a look at some of the verbs or some of the words that we can use.
Thank you. Dachyn.
Yes, dachyn.
Dachyn gwbod.
Dachyn gwbod,
That's
yes.
a very North Walian thing, isn't it?
Now, do you remember?
Dachyn gwbod.
Dachyn gwbod, or do you know a person? Do you remember what that was?
Dachyn wbod. No. Dachyn abod. Dachyn nabod.
Dachyn
Yeah, so that's a
nabod.
person nabod.
Nabod, to know a person.
Is a thing, is something.
A fact, yes.
A fact or something, yeah.
So, dachyn.
Pam dachyn.
Pam. Now, do you remember before we said dachyn? It comes from rydych it's narrowed down. And dachyn can sometimes be a statement, but it also can be a question, can't it? Remember, depending on the intonation, dachyn.
Dachyn.
Now, what makes it a definite question is when you bang something like pam in the front of it.
Beth.
Exactly. So, pam dachyn.
Pam dachyn.
Why are you? Pam dachyn.
Ysgrifennu. Llyfr newydd.
Pam dachyn ysgrifennu llyfr newydd. Excellent. Now then, let's put pwy in front of it this time. Pwy dachyn edmygu. Now there's a word. Edmygu.
Edmygu.
Admire.
Oh, okay.
Pwy dachyn edmygu.
Edmygu. Pwy dachyn edmygu.
Okay, so pam dachyn, pwy dachyn makes it a definite question.
Okay.
Now, screen nesa. Pa. Pa gyfnod. Do you remember pa? Which?
Pa, it could be pa un, which is which
Pa
one.
un,
but
which
it's
one?
Called, then it's peen.
Peen.
Peen, you make it smaller.
Da iawn, da iawn.
Remember that one? A couple of weeks ago, we got it.
Pa gyfnod, dachyn. So we've got a question there, definitely. Pa gyfnod, what period of time?
What period of time is your favourite?
Dachyn hoffi. Now the next one, pa berson.
Yeah.
Pa berson dachyn edmygu.
What person do you admire the most? No, not the most, because it would be hoff, wouldn't it? Yeah.
Yes, beth ydy... Well,
Pa
you can
berson.
use dachyn edmygu is
Dachyn
fine.
edmygu.
Yeah. Pa un, peen,
Peen.
ydych hoff le. Now then.
What's your favourite place?
Exactly.
Which one is your favourite place? Is that the right
Pa un ydych
translation?
hoff le, yes.
So peen, which one is the shorter
Is your
one? Ydych chi'n hoff?
Which is your favourite place?
Which is your favourite place?
Da iawn.
There is a lot in there.
There's a lot.
And some new words. Diolch yn fawr.
Croeso.
Shall we go through them again while we show a little setup VT of Dr John Davies in action? Yeah, shall we see it? Yeah?
Absolutely.
Roll it. Let's do this.
Let's do it. Okay.